is about to change, and the energy in the city is moving ever skyward. Life in the Makati Central Business District is constantly advancing, constantly evolving. Find yourself in the middle of it all. Your story unfolds in Salcedo Sky Suites. A story of power, of being in the now, at the helm, and on top. Now is the time to elevate your everyday experiences. Live in an unrivaled location on the premier side of Salcedo Village, where everything is within reach and the city is yours to conquer. Come home to your own private space and enjoy clear views of half the metro. Redefine the art of leisure in the middle of the Makati Central Business District. All amenities converge at the Sky Amenity Floor. At the roof deck is its centerpiece, a heated outdoor infinity pool where you can watch the sunset after work and feel like you're truly in command of life. As business in Makati winds down, another world begins. And you are at its very center. The Salcedo Sky Suites has everything you need to stay in the game and to always stay on top. Such is the price of power, but it's always worth it. Salcedo Sky Suites. Experience a lifestyle elevation.